rare, like these diamonds that I wear. Gold lace, please you like no other. Heartbeat racing, I'ma put you through these paces. Be the best you ever tasted. Gonna stay on your mind, come back every time, baby. I'ma keep you craving. Baby, I'ma keep you craving. Baby, I'ma keep you craving.
Si Megan, ako, napakabait na bata. Wala kami masabi kundi puro positive about her attitude sa lahat, sa pagkaaral, sa kaibigan, sa family niya.
Intoxicated, can't
Happy birthday, Ate Megan.
your eyes, I'll keep you close. Put your hand on my hip.
Happy 10th birthday, Ate Megan!
To these lips, kiss I won't tell.
Happy birthday, Ate Megan! Enjoy your night!
Like these diamonds that I wear.
Si ate, tumatawa sa akin palagi. Nung unang nagsiswimming ako, ang ginawa ko ay tumalon ako sa swimming pool at malapit na ako nalunod. Pero tinulungan ako ni ate at tinawanan pa rin ako.
Stay on your mind, come back every time. I'ma keep you craving. Baby, I'ma keep you craving. Baby, I'ma keep you craving. There, you see her.
Si Megan, simula nung pagkabata pa is medyo nag-aalangan kami kung magiging mabait siyang bata or masipag mag-aral. But then later on, nung simula nung mag-grade 5 siya, continuously hanggang maging senior high school, nag-excel talaga at pinagbubutihan ng pag-aaral.
Yes, you want her. Look at her, you know you.
Happy birthday, Megan! I appreciate how funny and cool you are as a person. Sana mas tumagal pa yung friendship natin.
It don't take a word, not a
Hello, Megan. Happy 10th birthday sa'yo. Kulang sa'yo, anak. 3 lang. Mag-aral kang mabuti para mabigay mo yung best mo sa mga magulang mo at saka sipag at tiyaga. Lagi mo sa puso para matapos mo yung dreams.
Megan, I wish you all the luck, all the goodness in life that can bring. Naway patnubayan ka ng Diyos sa lahat ng iyong gustuhin. Matapos ka sa pag-aaral, para sa iyo din yan. At naway maging mabuting bata. Mahal na mahal ka ni Daddy.
won't say a word until you kiss the girl.
Anak, Megan, alam ko marami kang pangarap sa buhay. Natutuwa ako sa'yo dahil as early, alam mo na yung mga goals mo, alam mo na yung mga gusto mong marating sa buhay. Alam ko, pag nag-set ka ng goal, ma-achieve mo yan successfully. Basta sa family mo, andito lang kami lagi sa'yo, aalalay, susuporta sa'yo, hanggang ma-achieve mo yung goal mo. Makapasa ka as registered nurse later on, makapag-NCLEX, at makapag-US as part of your dreams. Kami ng daddy mo at ng kapatid mo, andito lang lagi para sa'yo. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
You've gotta kiss the girl. Well, don't you wanna